So why apps? Why should we be involved? Why should you be listening to me right now? And why should you be thinking about putting an app on the App Store? Well, for one, it focuses on your brand. Your website is very, very easy to navigate away from. Would we agree? With an app, when someone downloads your app, it's like having your stamp on their phone, a little badge. And every day that they go to that phone, they're going to see your brand, and they're going to choose to interact with it or not interact with it. You have that opportunity. The web is absolutely distracting, and the user experience that you can create within an app, you can't create on the web. It's completely different. Because it's multi-touch, you can do some amazing things with an application. More users are searching via apps than we think these days. When you go to search for something, does anyone here search on the App Store for a solution to their problems? Yeah, absolutely. I'm going to show you a couple of those examples in a second. And the app space right now is like real estate. There's only so much space on an iPhone, and right now, if you take that time and you create some quality apps, you can be in there first. And I'm going to show you a couple of people who got in there first and are making some pretty crazy apps, as you're about to see. So what makes a great app? Well, this is Madonna's app. This is one of the apps that we created using the mobile ready technology for Madonna. It's all about design and interaction. So if you're creating something that has very fluid movements, very easy to navigate through, you're going to have a much better user experience, which means that users are going to appreciate you more and want to look at it more. This is Urban Spoon. Who here has Urban Spoon? One person? Two? Three? I can't believe more people don't have this. Who's got an iPhone in the room? Just okay. And you don't have Urban Spoon. That's blasphemy. Let me show you what Urban Spoon is. Urban Spoon allows you to find any restaurant in Australia, any restaurant you wish, with any requirements that you want. So, for example, if I say I want to find a restaurant in Piedmont, and I want it to be Latin American, I can then shake it. It shakes, and it finds me the restaurant. Done. Whatever I choose, I can just shake it again. If I don't really feel like Italian anymore, I just keep shaking, and it'll find me better and better restaurants. Whatever I choose, I can also choose how expensive it can be as well. Just keep shaking, and it comes up with more and more restaurants. And that's a great way, instead of having to search on the internet to try and find these restaurants, having an application like that in your hand when you're out and about, so much easier. And that's what the App Store is about, is creating those user experiences that are actually going to help people out, solve a problem.